Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study chapter number 8 exercise 8.1. First I want to explain question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 1 I have already explained that rectangular coordinate system. What is that rectangular coordinate system where the x positive, negative, origin all I have delivered in the previous lecture. Right? Now in this lecture I will explain that how to draw the line of the single variable. How to draw the line of variable, single variable, like here x only involve, here only y involve, here x involve, here y involve, here x and here only y. But in this question that both variables involved, then how to do that? The first of all, that the value of x is given, that question number 2 first part, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. So what we will do, that the value of x is equal to, where is the value of x is equal to 2, is that the value of x is equal to 2 is given, that this one 1 and 2, that is the value of x. So we have to draw the line, straight line parallel to y axis, straight line parallel to y axis, like here. And we will write the name of this line. What is the name of this line? Up or below, up to you. X is equal to 2, the name of this line. But in second, x is equal to minus 3. Where is that minus 3 value? Like here, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So we will draw this line here. This value is equal to, x is equal to minus 3. Right? Here x is equal to half, fraction. Half mean divided. Then we will get the value 0.5. Where is the value of 0.5? Here, between 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, we will draw the line here. Yeah. So we will draw it, and here we will write that this equation x is equal to half. Correct? Any other value of x is given that? No. In question number 3, you check one thing. The value of x is parallel to y axis. In question number 3, just he is asking about find out the values in question number 3 parallel to x axis or y axis. Keep one thing in your mind. So whenever the x variable involve, only x variable involved, the line is parallel to y axis. One more thing which I want to explain here, like this question, it's not a simplify here. Like here 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. So here x is equal to 2, we draw the line. Here x is equal to minus 3, we draw the line. But how to draw the line? If he will ask, draw this line, then how to draw this line? So first we have to solve question number 3. First part I want to solve. 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. So when we start to solve, 2x is equal to 3, this minus 1 shifting on other side, plus 1. So 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 over 2. So the value of x is equal to 2, which we have already drawn this line. So how to know? Just if the variable is only x, the line is always parallel to y axis. But whenever the value is only given the y, the line is parallel to x axis. The line is parallel to x axis. So this graph, one graph you make all the lines which is parallel to y axis. Like where is the value of x is equal to 5? If the question is given that the value of x is equal to 5, so where we will draw the line in this graph paper? Here, here or here? Here or here? Good, here, because positive value. So we will draw the line here parallel to y axis, just here. That is x is equal to 5. If the statement is that draw the line x is equal to -5, then good. So we have to draw the line x is equal to -5 here. Good. That is x is equal to -5. I'm writing minus in the downside because x is already negative downside, but no issue if you will write above or below, because these are the lines showing that parallel to y-axis and only a single variable involved. That which variable? X involved. Is that clear? When the x variable involved, the line is always parallel to y-axis. So straight line draw on the value of x axis. Check that and draw it. If now we have to draw the value of y. So for that purpose, I will draw an other graph paper. We will use another graph paper, then you will be very clear. For that, y-axis here, x-axis, that is x, x dash, y, y dash. What is the name of this value where the both intersect each other? Origin. Good. 1, 2, but no need because we will take the values here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when draw the both, then you have to write, because here I am taking the using only for value of y. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. This side the value is positive or negative? Positive. This side the value of x is negative or positive? Negative. Good. Okay. What is the value of y is equal to here? -1. Single variable. The value of y is equal to -1. Where is that? Here. So you will write it here like this and draw the line. Draw the straight line. Is this line parallel to x-axis or not? Parallel. Good. So write the name of this equation. Simple. Y is equal to -1. So next line, what is that? Y is equal to 3. So where is that? 3 on y-axis. 1, 2 and 3. Good. So right here. Parallel. Okay, straight. So y is equal to 3. What is the next? Y is equal to 0. Where it's draw? Y is equal to 0. Hurry up. You will give me the answer. Y is equal to 0. Where is that? Good. Y is equal to 0 is the origin line, which is already given, that one. This line is equal to y is equal to 0, which the value of x and y both are 0. On x-axis, here y is equal to 0. Right? So this line y is equal to 0. You can write it. This line y is equal to, on x-axis, that y is equal to 0. Straight. So in question number 3 is also asking that which is the parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Here only y variable involved. So the line is parallel to, when the y variable involved, parallel to x-axis. Like here. Here when the both variable involved, then that is the separate method to solve that, because when x and y both variable involved, the line is neither parallel to x-axis nor y-axis. Mean ना तो लाइन x एक्सेस के पैरेलल होगी, ना ही y एक्सेस के. जब भी आपके पास both variable arise, x and y both variable arise, the line is parallel, not parallel to x axis and also y axis. So is it clear? All of you clear, or any question in your mind? Then ask. Okay, I will start to ask the question. So if the variable is involving only x, so the line is parallel to y-axis. Good. If the variable involving only y, the line is parallel to x-axis. Good. If the both variable involve x and y, the line is good, neither parallel to x-axis, neither parallel to nor parallel to y-axis. Everyone is clear? Good. Now in the next lecture we will solve in the next question.